We are at Animal Kingdom Lodge right now. Showed you a couple things yesterday. It is gonna rain today. This is what we have outside of our room right now. A couple of animals. These guys are fun. Yeah, we have a rainy day ahead. We're gonna be heading off to Magic Kingdom. We've been already twice for like the last hour or so and gotten a lot done. So we slept in a little bit today. We're probably gonna get there around 9:30ish. Grab some breakfast. We're gonna see where the day takes us. See what we can get done in this rain. Yeah, magical. Magic Kingdom. All right, we've made it to Magic Kingdom. Everything still has like a half-hour wait or below. So we're gonna go to Big Thunder first because
the place is starting to fill up, so it probably won't stay that way long.
Yeah, it is filling up, and it's gonna rain today. So we gotta get those outdoor rides done pretty early if we want to go on them. So Big Thunder first. Update. Splash Mountain was down. They're now currently testing all of the vehicles. We're gonna try to sneak in there because, as most of us know, Splash Mountain is going down at some point for a refurb. So the line has been insane. Like over an hour, even at the end of the park. So we're gonna go in right now, right here. Take 2 or 3. So we went to Splash Mountain. Still not up yet. They're still testing vehicles. But this Big Thunder Mountain, the line is cruising and moving, and it says 30 minutes, and I think it's gonna be less than 30.
I'm thinking so too. I mean, we're already like in the queue as opposed to outside the queue.
So we're gonna go with it. And we're gonna do Big Thunder and probably then go to Splash Mountain. We also need to get water at some point to fill up our water bottles. Yeah. Update. This was definitely the play. It was posted at a 30-minute wait. AB5. We're on the ramp right now. So don't trust the wait times always. They're usually way over what they actually are.
Especially right now. I feel like it's only maybe been like 3 or 4 rides where it's actually been similar to the wait time.
And it's the big ones.
Yeah. Slinky Dog was 80 minutes and we got on like
40. Yeah, I agree. Good call. Don't leave those. The ones that you found.
Yes.
Whee! Whee! We decided to take a quick break from our one ride and keep an eye on Splash Mountain. So I got a lemon slush because it's already hot. Nate got a whole breakfast sandwich because he needed breakfast. We got waters. So literally we're in like the Pecos Bill outside sitting area, staring at Splash Mountain waiting for it to open. I call that successful. So after our snack, Splash Mountain is still closed. We're gonna give up on it temporarily. We're gonna go to Jungle Cruise. It has a 45-minute posted wait time. Hoping it's a little less. But right now, Splash Mountain and Haunted Mansion are both down. So everything is starting to get really long lines because 2 main attractions are down. How's your ibuprofen going?
Wonderful.
So proud of you. So yeah, let's go listen to some dad jokes on Jungle Cruise. We're starting by the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse. See how long this wait takes. Cover that snaz.
Yeah.
There's announcements every 5 seconds about it.
Correct.
I can't see anyone. What's that either? I feel there's something really scary looking guys. It's
update. Splash Mountain did open back up with a 90-minute wait. We're gonna ride it later. So what we're doing now is we are going to Little Mermaid. After Little Mermaid, we're gonna see, maybe we'll grab lunch. Maybe we'll do like Winnie the Pooh or Small World, something like that. Hang out in Fantasyland for a little bit.
Coffee.
Oh, Nate needs another coffee. I'm just happy to be here.
But thanks. See you later. That one wants to get the girl into a help mood.
Yes, indeed.
Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad and so true.
She can't say a word, she won't say a word until he's speaking. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my, like a white and shining gonna.
Okay, the rain has started. It's just a light little drizzle right now. We're gonna go grab some lunch at Friar Nook's. And we'll play it by ear. If there's no thunder or lightning, we might do another outdoor ride. If there is thunder and lightning, we might continue on with Fantasyland and go into Small World or Winnie the Pooh. Okay, so it started to rain. We're at Friar Nook's. They have no utensils, so we're using knives. We got our tots. We're currently sitting in a corner because people won't move. You know, but we're making the best of it. It's gonna rain for the next 2 hours. I don't know when everyone's gonna decide that they need to tough the storm out, but yeah. Also, it's really hard to eat tots with a knife because they just break. You're doing okay. I need to let this go so I can eat. Okay, so the rain became a little drizzle instead of a monsoon. So we decided to hop in line for Filler Magic. We're outside right now. We're hoping it holds off for a little bit, but most of this queue, even with social distancing, is inside.
Sure.
So that's our plan. Nate gave me his sweatshirt because it's a little chilly. We might need to buy sweatshirts or something if it gets real cold.
I'm fine as long as it doesn't start downpouring like crazy again and we're stuck out here.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Rain.
Yeah. Half the park's closed right now.
Yeah. Half of Disney World is closed. Every park is closed.
But if it starts slowing down, maybe stuff will start opening back up.
Yeah.
I don't know how long they have to wait between like thunder.
It's a while.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's all afternoon. It's supposed to rain.
Cool.
We'll see. It was also supposed to rain this morning and it was gorgeous.
Well, maybe we'll just come back for the last hour and get another 5 or 6 things done.
That was a good plan. So,
5 minutes or so.
the line was a little long, but we did make it. 40 minutes-ish. It looks like it stopped raining for now. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey friends. It's still drizzling out, but guess what? There hasn't been thunder and lightning for over a half hour. So where are we going, Nate?
Going to Splash Mountain?
We're gonna go to Splash Mountain.
Why not?
It is cold, a little chilly out. We're already wet, so why not get wetter?
I mean, if you want to do that, grab some snacks and then take off for a bit. It's not the worst idea. Well, we're already going to be wet and gross and full of snacks. So.
Clearly he doesn't realize the type of person I am in Magic Kingdom. Not in hand. We get some snacks. We buy merchandise.
Sure, of course.
We stay forever.
Are we going the right way?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so Splash Mountain. This is like attempt number 3 at going on Splash Mountain.
Yeah.
So, fingers crossed we actually get on.
Yep.
Oh, what's it changing to?
35.
35. Okay, we're at 35 minutes. It needs to stop thundering and lightning and hold off for 35 minutes so we can ride.
Good.
I'm hoping the time's a little inaccurate.
It did literally update as we were staring at it.
Yes.
But it did jump from 15 to 25 to 35 on our walk over here.
And we are in the actual queue right now, not like this is the normal one, not with the social distancing. So it gives me some promise and some hope here.
Yeah, we also saw a couple empty ones going down, so there was like people that an empty one. So to me, it sounds like it wasn't very busy, and now
everyone is here. Yes.
Well,
15 minutes later, we're about to board. So
worked out.
good stuff. As long as we actually get on.
I feel like we're going to.
I feel like we will too. For our next clip is on the ride, we got on. For our next clip is us being sad. We didn't.
You'll know.
You'll know. We got on, guys. We're also in the front row.
Wait, do we start with the drop?
No, we don't start with the drop.
It looks like we do. We do that way.
He knows nothing. I love it.
I barely remember.
Whee! Ready?
We're gonna get wet.
Here's one of the drops. Whee! Oh, brave!
Hey, my life. Oh god. Oh.
Say goodbye to me.
You excited, Nate?
No.
I'm so excited! Big drop! Yay!
Oh my god, I don't like that.
You loved it!
No, I didn't.
I loved it!
I like it, but not a lot. I don't like it.
Poor girl.
Home is the lesson today.
All the rain. More snacks. So, we got one of the cinnamon rolls from Gaston's. It is huge. Huge. And then I got a gray stuffed cupcake, which is delicious. You ready for Dumbo?
Yeah.
Goes high. I'm gonna make it very thrilling.
Ow.
I'll show you. Nate, are you gonna drive on Dumbo?
To make your
I'm a good driver.
fly higher,
Me
just
too.
raise the magic lever right in front of you. Okay, Dumbo.
Ooh, fly harder. There you go, see? Are you ready for the carousel progress?
Sure. Doesn't sound exciting.
It's very exciting. You're gonna love it. A Stitch. Be cute. Alright, so the rain has faded away. Looks great.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mouse ears are back on.
We're having a magical time.
We are having a magical time. We got our coffee. And we are in line for Winnie the Pooh. And we gotta drink this kind of quickly before we get to the actual QQ. QQ! QQ! It's a small world.
Yeah, this looks like it was like freshly painted.
It's a small world. For your safety, please
I don't know. I remember this being very different colors.
keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs.
All right, Space Mountain, round 2.
See.
You You excited, Nate?
See.
Yeah. We got the front again. Yeah. So excited. Hey guys.
Hey.
Long time no chat.
Yeah.
Last you heard from us, we were over at Magic Kingdom, riding Space Mountain.
Let's say, was that the last thing we said?
Yeah. Here's what you missed. We went to Pecos Bill. Had some food.
It was good.
It was good. We're clearly back at the hotel. We are going to do some night swimming and I think getting some drinks at the pool.
Hot tub for a little bit.
Hop in the hot tub. So we are in our swim gear. Yep.
It's kind of a cool night, so we'll probably spend most of the time in the hot tub.
Yeah. With some drinks. Swimming for like another hour. So I'm getting lost at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Whee!